shark. Might be hooked. Come here. He wants to catch a shark on an ultralight. I saw him swimming in there. And I saw a line moving. I didn't think it was Monsieur Shark, but it sure is. He's not a giant one. He's just a little nurse shark. See if oh, Mr. Shark. He doesn't like being hooked. Come here. Who wants to catch a shark on an ultralight? I saw him swimming in there. And I saw the line moving. I didn't think it was Monsieur Shark, but it sure is. He's not a giant one. He's just a little nurse shark. See if we can get him in here and get a look at him. There he is. Mr. Nurse, or is it Nurse Ratchet? One or the other. Let's see here. These things are devilish looking, aren't they? It'll probably self-release. Let's see. Let's see how strong this fishing line is, right? Hey. No, get away from that. Get away from that. Alright. So, yeah, you. Whoa. He's trying to steal a rod. Come here. Come here, you. Alright. Let's get the hook out ready. See if I can pick him up if he doesn't snap the line. Oh, he just kind of let go.